Hello students, this is the fourth bit from the first question 3.4 exercise. Let's see the pair of linear equations and we have to solve both in elimination method and substitution method. Let's see the first one. X by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1. It doesn't look like a standard form of a linear equation. And here, what is it? X minus y by 3 is equal to 3. Now we have to shape it to the standard form of linear equations. Now multiply the x with 3, cross multiply 3x plus 2 of 2 4y whole by multiply both the denominators as they are not having common denominator, that is a 6. 2 3s are 6 is equal to minus 1, and 6 will go to the other side, becomes minus a 6, and here 3x plus 4y is equal to minus a 6 look like standard form of a linear equation. Now the second one also, here x is there, here y by 3 is there, multiply x with 3, make it, and take the denominator 3 to this side, 9, and this is 3x minus y is equal to 9. Now if you see both the equations carefully, we need not to match anything, already 3x matching to the 3x, so both the values are the same, both the symbols are the same, here plus and here plus. Now we have to change one of the symbol, one of the 3x symbol, that means we have to go for the subtraction. Therefore subtract second equation, subtract first equation from second equation, whatever it may be, there is no difference. You can subtract first equation from second, or you can subtract the second equation from the first, but you should do it carefully. Now I have written 3x minus y equal to 9, and the second equation is 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. Now subtract mean all the symbols, all the terms symbols are going to change. Here plus becomes minus, here plus becomes minus, here minus becomes plus. Okay, now 3x and plus 3x and minus 3x are going to cancel. Here minus and minus, that means 1y and it is 4y, that is minus 5y is equal to 9 minus 6 plus 6, it becomes plus 6, that is 15. Therefore y is equal to 15 by minus 5, that is y is equal to 3. So substitute this y value, y is equal to minus 3 in any of the equation. Now this equation look like simple. Of course you can substitute here also, but making LCM simplification, it becomes a little lengthier. So take a simple equation, x is equal to y by 3. In place of y you keep minus 3, and minus of minus becomes plus, 3 by 3 is equal to 1, and plus 1 comes to this side, becomes minus 1, and x is equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 3. Therefore x value and y value. So for our comfort and confident, just you can substitute these values in any of the equation. I select this one, substitute x value and y value, you should get RHS, that is 3. We got it. That's what we did is correct. Now for the same pair of linear equations, we have to do it in substitution method. Therefore take this equation, and which was already explained in the previous part, and convert into the standard form, and this here x is there, keep minus y by 3 to the other side, plus y by 3, so keep like that. Now x is equal to 3 plus y by 3. Substitute this value in here. Now 3 of x plus 4 of y is equal to minus 6. 3, it is common, that means we have you can distribute for both the terms. 3 3s are 9. 3 of 4 y by 3, so 3 and 3 will cancel here, plus 4y is equal to minus 6. So here y remained and 4y remained, so totally it is 5y. So plus 9 goes to the other side, becomes minus 9. 5y is equal to minus 15. Y is equal to minus 3. Okay, we got the same. So substitute this value. Now this time I select this part. 3x in the previous question, y value substituted in the second equation, y is equal to minus 3 substituted in the second equation. But now I am going to multiply y is equal to minus 3 in the first equation. That means you can choose any one, then there is no problem. Substitute and do it carefully. Here 3x minus 12 is equal to minus 6, and minus 12 comes to this side, plus 12, and 3x is equal to 6, x is equal to 2. So we got the same values, x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 3.